Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the foundation tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 16, which reads, a train has one first-class carriage and 6 standard carriages. The first-class carriage has 64 seats. 3/8 are being used. Each standard carriage has 78 seats. 7/13 in each carriage are being used. Are more than half the seats on the train being used? You must show your working. Okay then, so let's start off with working out how many seats in the first class carriage are being used. So that's 64 seats times 3/8. Well, 64 is 8 times 8, so we can cancel that. And we've just basically got 8 times 3, which is 24 seats. Each standard carriage has 78 seats. 7/13 in each carriage are being used. So that's 78 times 7/13. So that's 78 times 7 divided by 13. Which is equal to 42. Okay, so the 6 standard carriages have 42 people in 78 seats. So let's multiply the 42 and the 78 by 6. Actually, let's do the 42 by 6 first. So that's 42 times 6. Well, 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 4 is 24. So that's 252 people. And there are 6 times 78 seats. Actually, I will use a calculator. So that's 6 times 78, which is 468. And there are 64 seats in the first class. So we add the 64 seats in the first class. So I'll grab my calculator. And that's 532 seats in total. There are 252 people in standard class. And there are 24 people in first class. So that's 252 plus 24 is 276. So that's 276 out of 532. So I'll grab my calculator. So that's 276 divided by 532. Now if this comes out to less than 0.5, then we'll know that less than half of the seats are taken. If it comes out to more than 2.5, we'll know that more than half the seats are taken. And it's 0.518. Which is bigger than 0.5 or bigger than a half. So the answer is yes. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.